Have you ever wondered, why do pencils have erasers? That tiny pink piece on top isn't just decoration. It's actually one of the smartest inventions in the world of writing. Today, we're going to discover its story, from messy mistakes in history to the clever science that makes it erase perfectly. Get ready, because this is more than just a pencil. A long time ago, people didn't have pencils like we do today. They used pens with ink, quills, or sharp sticks on wax tablets. If they made a mistake, it was hard to fix. Sometimes they had to start all over. Imagine writing your homework perfectly, and then smudging a letter. You'd have to throw it all away. Even kings, scholars, and writers struggled with this problem. Mistakes weren't just small. They could ruin entire documents. People dreamed of a tool that could fix errors easily. And that dream started with rubber. In 1770, an English engineer named Edward Nairne discovered something amazing. He realized that a piece of rubber could erase pencil marks. People were amazed. For the first time, mistakes could disappear. But there was a problem. Early erasers were big, heavy, and hard to carry. Writers had to hold a separate block of rubber in one hand and a pencil in the other. Not very convenient, right? People needed a smarter solution, something that could travel with the pencil itself. In 1858, Hymen Lipman had a clever idea. What if the eraser could live on top of the pencil? He attached it, and suddenly you could write and erase anytime, anywhere. This small change changed everything. Mistakes were no longer scary. They could be fixed with just a few rubs. And that's why almost every pencil today has an eraser on top. Have you ever wondered why most erasers are pink? Comes from factory leftovers. When early manufacturers made rubber, the leftover mixture turned pink. People liked it, and the pink color stuck. Today, erasers aren't just pink. They can be white, black, glittery, or even shaped like animals, food, or cartoon characters. Some are soft for delicate papers. Some are hard for thick sketches. The world of erasers is more colorful than you might think. Now, how does an eraser actually erase? First, pencils don't really use lead. They use graphite, a soft material that leaves marks on paper. When you rub an eraser over graphite, the rubber grabs it and lifts it off the page. Simple science. Friction and stickiness working together. Every time you erase, you're seeing science in action. Here are some amazing and fun facts you might not know. In Japan, tiny erasers are made for precise drawing, perfect for artists. Some erasers are shaped like animals, food, or cartoon characters. Kids love collecting them. Giant office pencils sometimes have huge erasers on top. Erasers have even been used in space. Astronauts needed to erase mistakes in zero gravity. Erasers are not just tools. They're tiny helpers, toys, and even works of art. Pencils have been around for over 500 years. The graphite inside was first discovered in England and called plumbago. Before attached erasers, people even used breadcrumbs or wax to erase mistakes. Yes, real bread. Imagine using your sandwich to erase your homework. Pencils were once so valuable. People had to guard them carefully, especially in schools. Imagine carrying a pencil like it's treasure. Even in our digital world, pencils are important. Students use them for schoolwork. Artists use them for drawings. Engineers use them to plan big projects. And the eraser is just as important. Mistakes aren't bad, they're part of learning. And that little eraser helps us fix them. Pencils and erasers together remind us, it's okay to make mistakes, as long as we learn and correct them. This is Hidden Insight Studios, where every detail tells a story, and every story reveals the unseen. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join our global community of thinkers, dreamers, and explorers, because sometimes the most ordinary things hold the deepest secrets.